Hello everybody, welcome, new day, back to school garden today. When I came here it turns out there's no children here, it's an inset day. The teachers are all here for training and meetings, but no children, so it's been awfully quiet. But look at the garden as it's growing so far. I've brought a few little things in. The children have been painting stones to put around the clematis because I told them the clematis roots don't like to be exposed, they like covering up, and they've made beautiful painted stones, absolutely lovely. The flowers are growing, so they've been looking after them. Today I have put in the runner beans that my grandson sowed at home, so they're in his garden at school with all his school friends. I put in a lettuce as well, and I have filled the tyres and put the climbing peas in the tyres. What I did to fill them, because I didn't obviously have enough money to buy a lot of compost, the school doesn't have the funds for it, so what I did is I dug some beds. This is going to be a Mr. McGregor's kind of garden. Well, it's not going to be Mr. McGregor's, it's going to be Grandma's garden. So I dug squares out of the two beds and a little bit from there, turned them upside down and shoved them inside and up the rims of the tyres inside until there was only about 3 inches of gap left at the top, and I filled that with compost. So oh, and look, can you see? Watch there, watch carefully. Yep, a blue tit nesting in the box that's been put up in the school garden. Isn't that lovely? So yeah, the purple sprouting broccoli have all gone to flower. I'll only leave a couple of plants. This is up here that's growing now, ready for pumpkins to grow in this bed. So we'll need to tidy up, put in loads more compost and some pelleted poultry manure, and then the pumpkins will go in here. Anyway, as I was saying, these beds, I've got another 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Finish this one. This one I've put in a potato because I had a potato plant that had just come up randomly in a flower pot, and it's little red potatoes, so I've just stuck it in there with the compost. So I've got another, let's say 1, 2, 3, 3 more to dig in this one to finish, and then I shall get loads of compost and some newspaper to sheet mulch under as well. That way keep the weeds down. There's a lot of tree roots in there. Obviously I've got a lot of tidying up and weeding to do along the fence beds, but that will be done soon in time. They started painting this Cape Boreal, and I found some tester pots reduced to 10 pence from a hardware shop, so we'll just paint all of that and seal it. But it's so exciting that there's birds in that bird box. Anyway, so the peas are in here, and I'm happy that they will have a good enough protection to be neglected for a while, because there's that loamy clay underneath with the sod that's turned upside down, and I've watered that. There's a well on the inside obviously of the tyre where water can sit, so there'll be self-watering, and I've mulched with at least 2 to 3 inches of compost on the top, so they are fine. They're gonna climb nicely, and I've also got nasturtiums in 6 of them, so I'm missing 1. I've run out of nasturtiums even at home. So they're in there, and that will grow up nicely. I wish I could plant a lot more climbing peas around there, but that's all I had left. So yeah, that'll do for now. The water butt's empty. I'm going to have to create like a funnel to catch rain and stick it in there to catch more water. I better get finished now because I think the teachers are all leaving now, so I don't want to get locked in. So it was lovely just to catch up at the school garden. It's been lovely weather, and I shall see you all again at home. Enjoy. Bye.